You don't know how it feels to be so lonely when you have somebody telling you they care, when they are showing you another side that's saying they don't. I try to prove myself how much I care about you, that I'm so sad that I'm lost you, that how miserable I am, how I'm so lonely it's crying me to sleep every night that I'm not with you. Because boy, you need to realize I loved you so much, I cared so much that it hurt me. And I was so happy